Hello everyone, this is Matt Miller here at Burtness Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Whitewater. Just want to give you a quick walk around on the 2022 Chrysler Pacifica S Appearance Package, which is the sport model. This one's a really nice leather appointed touring L. These Pacificas come with great safety features. They do have power opening doors on both sides. Stow-N-Go seating in the back, so these seats will fold right up and out of the way. Plenty of connectivity. Separate temperature controls for the back area. Power opening cargo area. Again, these seats will fold right out of the way. Leather seating throughout. This one does have blind spot detection. The new generation Uconnect 5 radio, cordless Apple Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Dual zone climate up front. Again, separate climate for the back. Plenty of storage areas. Adaptive cruise. Blind spot detection. Many features. If you're looking for a van, gets great mileage. This one is an all-wheel drive also. So it'll get you around all winter long too, very safely. Might be the right vehicle for you. Give us a call here at 262-473-8080. Or you can work online with our online staff at driveburtness.com. Thank you.